Hey everybody, thanks for coming back. This episode is going to be with a Yamaha fj09. This is a buddy of mine. We used to work together. He's seen a few of my videos and thought maybe we can try my hand at some of this motorcycle stuff. On this particular build, we're going to be doing a satin black and RGB installation. It should be pretty sleek, dark. Hopefully this video shows a little bit better understanding of what it takes to tear these things down. But basically we're tearing it all down and we're going to get it painted, throw on the LEDs, and then put it all back together. So stay tuned. So there you guys have it. This is the finale. Go ahead, like it, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Again, the motorcycle thing is a different angle, but it's right up my alley with painting and customization and LEDs and stuff. So if you wouldn't mind, please like, subscribe, comment. I don't care if you're talking about whether or not Epstein was suicided, or if he legitimately had some issues where he felt his life was to be given up. It's really up to you. Me personally, I don't have anything against Hillary. I know my ex has got some information on Hillary and Bill Clinton. So whatever happens with that is, you know, neither here nor there. It's nothing to do with me. I'm just saying that my ex does have a lot of information on the both of them. So we'll see where that goes. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time.